If you touch chili like this or you touch some curry paste and you want to clean your hand, you know, water it doesn't work.
Come on and cook with me. That is Yasani.
Work. You should use salt. Put some salt, just a little bit on your hand and wash with soap. It's work. Just soap a little bit and rub together like this. Why salt work? Because salt scrub the chilies away. Just do like this to make sure it scrub the chilies on your hands away, and then clean it, wash it. You will feel your hands so smooth. Then dry and make sure. Don't believe me. Try to do it by yourself, and if it works, tell me. Okay, because I done this one is work, and I always tell my student in my cooking class, if you like this clip or this clip is good for you, should not forget to subscribe and ring the bell. And if you travel to Thailand, don't forget to come to Scenic Thai Cooking School. See you in the next clip. Bye.
Come on and cook with me. That is Yasani. Come on and cook with me. That is Yasani.